This is the Epomaker 40% keyboard. It is gasket mount and it even comes with this handle strap. The keyboard case is of ABS plastic and the entire product weighs in at just about half a kilo. It has tri-mode connectivity with the mode selection switch placed at the rear of the case, and it has a 3000 mAh battery. The model with me here is the black gold variant, and there is also the purple variant available. As for choices of switches, we have the Epomaker Wisteria and Flamingo, and I went with the Flamingo this time as I had the Wisteria. I personally prefer the Wisteria switches for its more poppy sound. However, this Flamingo switch is pretty good too. What's neat about the TH40 is that the PCB comes with south-facing LED. The RGB LED is bright, and note that when it is in wireless mode, it will not light up unless connection is established, and the RGB LED can be customized and controlled. Now here's the sound test for the Epomaker TH40. Remember that it is of an ABS case and it has a PC plate. And for those interested, this is an add-on sound test comparing the Epomaker Wisteria against the Flamingo switch. The keycap on the TH40 here are PBT die-suck with cherry profile. Now with the case removed, you get to see the gasket mounts, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom, and then you can see that the PC plate is semi-translucent, so that helps with the brightness. And then on the underside here, you can see that there is sufficient padding for the PCB, and underneath here it is the 3000 mAh battery. Now let's talk about being 40% keyboard. A 40% size keyboard is challenging to use because you need to throw away what you ever use in your typical full-size keyboard or whatever size keyboard that has even numbers and function keys. You're literally down with nothing, and I can tell you that from my experience owning various 40% layout, 40% size keyboards, this is the most challenging simply because like the enter here and the shift is of a larger size, and then it actually removes certain buttons like question mark. Where's the question mark button? Where's the question mark key? So a lot of keys are missing. So, and with this you can use software like the VR software to customize, yes. And how we go about with smaller size keyboard is we have to use function layers. So you not only have to get used to the layout, and you also have to remember what function, what layer you assign which key for which thing. Like for example, I could be assigning the arrow for question mark, I could be assigning QWERTY for 1 to 0. So basically using this 40% size keyboard is very challenging, more challenging than the ones I have, like the one at the back here and someplace else. While this keyboard looks nice, there's only one flaw, and is not functionality. To me, the flaw is the difference of color among the black parts, which is 1, the case, 2, the keycaps. The keycaps have a certain bluish tinge. It does not look like pure black, and the case itself has a greenish tinge to it. So neither of them are pure black. The only pure black is actually the switch, this tri-mode switch connectivity area, where you can see it's black, while the color difference is there between the case and the caps. In fact, you can see the color difference even on their product page itself. And this is the thing that annoys me. I have an OCD on it because it is clearly black on this switch area, or the USB and all that, but there is a huge color difference between that and the keycap. So while the name is black gold, it is not actually black, it's dark green and some dark bluish tint to the keycaps. But overall, the keyboard itself to me is still a very nice keyboard. solid 40% size keyboard, retailing at about US 70 depending on the promotion. The actual price is higher than 70, but when it's promotion it's below US 70. So overall, still good keyboard, great functionality and sound, everything. I really like this keyboard, portable too, like this, and you see it often hanging on my background. And yes, I really like this keyboard a lot. Should you buy it immediately? No, you should identify whether it suits your needs. 40% layout is challenging to use, and if it suits your need, like say wanting it to be portable and compact nature of it, lightweight, and you are willing to spend a bit of time to get used to 40% layout, not just the layout but the layout when it comes to like assigning layers, then go for it. This is a nice keyboard to have. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.